Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. I am making this video to show you fullest how to get your first dollars in the internet for free. I know all the making money websites you need to invest in, but PTC websites gives you 2 cents a day. So here I'm going to show you how to make dozens of bucks a day. So right this way, this website called TMS Traffic Monsoon, and click enter. I'm going to show you the strategy and how to make about $10 a day. So here normally it says your enroller name, Ayman Zombo. You make your first name, last name, phone, email address. Do not use Hotmail, MSN, Outlook, Live. This caution, because you won't receive any activation email. Your username or nickname, you can say. Withdraw code you have to save it, because they will ask for it when you will withdraw your money. This password here, Payzan, PayPal. Agree to the terms, write the code and process it. You will receive an activation link. Confirm it, then log in. And 6A. We'll wait 10 seconds here.
Take a look at what happened.
Back to the dashboard. This is your dashboard. This is your cash links. I clicked about just a few cash links today, so I show you how to make cash links. These cash links, when you click it, you receive your cash immediately. This 2 cents, you'll wait 1 minute, then this 1 cent you have to wait 30 seconds. This 5 half cent you wait just about 15 seconds, and this 0.201 you will wait 5 seconds. I'll take this for example. Yes, like this, 5 seconds. After clicking all your cash, thank you, your click has been credited. After clicking all your cash, you have to go back to my account and start surfing. You have clicked 0 ads this session. You have to click about not less than 10 ads, so at least 10 ads a day, in order to receive your cash from your referrals. Every ad you have to wait 20 seconds. So this website is easy, makes you about you have to work on it about 20 minutes a day, and it's good earnings to a beginner. You say you have clicked 1 ads this session, you have to click 10 ads as I said. After clicking the 10 ads, back to account. Normally you say this here, you find from cash links this commission earned. You will earn 100% commission from your referral links. That means if your referral wins 30 cents a day, you will win 30 cents a day. If you have 30 referral, and every referral gives you 35 cents a day, you will win about 150 cents. That means $10 a day. So go ahead, work on it. Subscribe, not subscribe, register to this website. Go ahead, tell your friends, refer them, and enjoy all together. like your virtual friends or friends. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you all the good luck here. This website is trustful, it's secured, and works with a lot of bank accounts. Thank you for watching. Good luck and bye. Ciao.